Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have chosen a very delicious, very quick vegetarian recipe for you from Indian Feast, and this is from the chapter Sunday brunch where you can, have time and make some delicious things. And I'm making a rava dosa. So this is a quick one because I'm going to use ground flour. So I'm going to use rice flour and other things in it, which makes it very quick. It tastes delicious. It's got a very lovely texture to it, and it goes perfectly well with some coconut chutney or some sambar. If you don't want to make chutney, you can even serve it with a potato sabji, which is delicious, or even a curry. It goes really well. Right, stop talking, let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Let's make the rava dosa. And to start with, I just need a bowl, all the ingredients in it, and give it a good mix. In goes 120 grams of semolina. Next, 120 grams of rice flour. 60 grams of plain flour. Teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon chili powder. A teaspoon of cumin seeds. Bit of freshly ground black pepper. And I'm just going to finely chop one medium-sized onion. Also going to finely chop a little piece of ginger. And going to finely chop some fresh curry leaves. Not whole, I'm going to just chop it up. Come on. The last thing I'm going to finely chop is a little bit of fresh coriander. So all of that freshly chopped, finely chopped stuff goes into this. But first mix it up. So the dry stuff is mixed. Then we add all the chopped up stuff. Give that a mix before any liquid goes in. So the next thing to go in is a tablespoon of natural yogurt, and now the water. So next I add in 900 ml of water, and I know it might seem a lot, but trust me, this is all going to get absorbed by the flours in there. This has such a gorgeous aroma to it right now. So this prep has taken me 5 minutes, and now you can actually, I'm going to use a whisk to do this. So 5 minutes of prep, and then I'm going to let it sit for 15 minutes. This cooking time is only going to be 2-3 minutes. So if you have more time on hand, then you can let this sit for half an hour. Just make sure you've got rid of all the lumps. Cover and let this sit. In the meantime, you can prepare a nice dish to go with it. So I have had left this for an hour actually, because I just got busy with doing lunch for kids. Anyways, right, so it has soaked some of the water, but it's still very watery, which is exactly how it's supposed to be. I've got a nice hot pan right here. You can use a flatter pan. I'm just using a pan in which I sometimes cook curry. Now it's dry and clean. Just going to make sure it's nice and hot. Reduce it to medium low heat. Give it a wipe. This is the magical kind of moment, because this rava dosa is kind of cooks very differently to the normal dosa. So you take a ladleful, and then it should kind of split up. And you don't fill up the holes of that, because that is the characteristic of rava dosa. Just a little bit of oil. And once you can see that it's starting to get a bit red on the sides, no, it needs another minute. That is why I think a flatter pan is a better idea. I've taken a one with the sides. Never mind. Well, don't try this at home. Just use a spatula. Oh, I'm just ruining it, am I? So annoying. This is real life kitchen. So you turn it over. Advise, don't use a pan with the side lid. That's what trouble I'm having. I am feeling too lazy to change it. Maybe I should change it, shouldn't I? What do you think, Yuvi? Should I change it? He said. So that's very helpful, like seriously. So I've just rolled it up because look at that, how gorgeous, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna give one more a go because you know it was perfect except for the turning around part, because yes, now we're talking. And yeah, it needs to be nice and hot so you get nice, lovely, crispy. Ooh, my hand. And for all those asking for lunchbox ideas, this is a great lunchbox idea. Rava dosa with, you can fill it up like I said in the beginning of the video with aloo sabji, chutney. You can serve it with ketchup if you like. It is so healthy, so delicious. Really speaking, you don't even need anything with it. It's got perfect seasoning, perfect flavor. For the written recipe, I will leave the link to the book in the description. Like, share and comment, and I'll see you back here with another new recipe very soon. Bye for now.